This is Project Blade, an E.C.D custom Defender 110. Blade is painted in full gloss causeway grey with black accents all round. Blade sits on 20-inch E.C.D custom made wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point roll cage, panoramic side windows, black steering guard and a classic front bumper with daytime running lights. Blade also features our Khan wide body kit. Inside, Blade features a Momo Nero steering wheel with classic mole bomber gauges, 4 Recaro orthopeds, heated and ventilated in the front and mid-row. Each seat is wrapped in a vertical diamond Mercedes-Benz Napa leather, stitched together in grey. In the load area, our client opted for a front-runner sliding drawer unit to give a very versatile storage solution. Blade is powered by our LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern touches such as Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB points. This vehicle is a true testament to our team's ability paired with our client's vision, a true one of a kind and probably one of the highest spec Defenders in the world.